Alright, I'm gonna show you how you can, set up your Roblox profile. So the first step is you're gonna have to open your browser. You can do this on your mobile, and you can also do this on your PC or your laptop. So I'm gonna open my Google Chrome. This is my Google Chrome, and the next step is search for Roblox. So you can just go to roblox.com. And make sure you go to the official website on roblox.com. So now if you don't have an account, you can create one, your birthday, your username and password, and select if you're male or female and sign up. But if you already have an account, just click on login. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to verify. Okay. Alright guys, now in my account right now, so the first thing to set up your profile, just go to your profile, and this is a profile I created for this. So as you can see your friends right here, your followers, and your following right here. This is your about. You can type in your about, just about you, just writing anything. Click on save. Just basically this is how you can set up your Roblox account. So right here, this is how you can set up your avatar. Okay, let's click on this. You can search for your messages right here. This is your inbox. As you can see, welcome to Roblox. Your inbox, sent news, and as you can see, so you can see your friends right here. Friends, following, followers, request. So you can also go to groups. You can search for groups you want to join, you wish to join. So right here you can see different groups. You can just choose and you click on join. As you can see right here, you can just click on join group. So as you can see, 2M plus members, as you can see. So you can also go to just create your avatar if you want to customize your avatar. So you can just come here, and as you can see, this is your avatar, so you can customize and do whatever you want. So I'm gonna go into my account. So right here, as you can see, they are about and creations. You can go right here. You can also click on chat. So this is basically how you can set up your profile for your Roblox. So you can go to settings. Alright, right here you can see display name and username. You can your password. You can change your password if you want. So right here you're gonna add your phone. You're gonna need to add your phone, and right here you're gonna need to put in your email. So it's very easy. So after you're done with all this, adding your phone and your email, you're gonna your birthday. You're gonna put your birthday. You already did that when you created an account. verify my age, your gender, female or male. Okay, your language, English, you can choose. So theme, light or dark, whichever you want. Click on save, as you can see. So this is very easy. So you're gonna have to click on save after you're done editing your options. You're gonna have to click on save. So right here you can add your social networks like your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and all that. So you can add, and you can also add if you want your social networks to be visible to everyone, or just friends and followers, or friends and users, just friends or no one. And click on save. Make sure you click on save to save the setting. So we're gonna go into security. So you can add two-step verification right here. You can add, as you can see, your options right here. You can add, and you can also sign out of every other sessions. So let's click on privacy. So as you can see right here, who can message me, you can see who can chat with me in app, as you can see, friends. So basically these are the settings you're gonna have to customize. You're gonna need to add your phone. I'm just making these accounts just for this video. So other settings, as you can see, who can invite me to private servers, you can choose everyone, friends, friends and followers. So basically this is how you can customize your you can set up your Roblox profile. So you can, the notifications you want to get when you receive a friend request or a message, you can see you can just customize and controls and app permission. So guys, this is how you can customize your Roblox profile. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and click on the notification button. Thank you.